Hello everyone, welcome to Young Innovators Electronics class. We had discussed about many circuits, components, its applications and uses of it in our previous videos. We had also learned about basic terms of electricity and electronics. We know that electricity flows when given to a power source. It flows through wires and other materials. We also know that each component or element is differentiated on their shapes, size, or any other physical properties. Another important classification when it comes to electronics will be the conductivity of electrical charges that are flowing. We all have heard people telling that we should not stand below a tree when there is a lightning. Have we thought why? This is because sometimes due to static electricity, electric discharge takes place between the charged cloud and earth. While passing over a tree or a tall building, an opposite charge might be induced, causing lightning to strike the tree or building, which might flow through the tree and jump towards the human taking its shelter. Hence, it is advised not to stand below the tree or tall building during a thunderstorm. To avoid these kinds of natural calamities, few of them introduce a lightning rod in order to protect structures from lightning damages by blocking the surges and guiding them towards the ground in order to nullify the charges. All these materials and elements that conduct electricity to flow through them are termed as conductors, and clouds and human body are good conductors of electricity. Few good examples of conductors are water, human body, metals, earth, etc. Next are those materials which will not conduct electricity or which will not let electricity to flow through them. These materials are termed as insulators. Few good examples of insulators are wood, wool, plastic, rubber, etc. We would have been heard people telling not to touch switches with wet hands. This is because our body is a good conductor of electricity and we might get a shock. We also have one more type of material whose conductivity lies between that of conductors and insulators. They are termed as semi-conductors. There are a few water species that produce electricity, one of which is an electric eel. Electric eel works like a battery and can discharge from 350 to 650 volts of electricity. The head acts as a positive pole and the tail acts as a negative pole. When it is moving, it can emit electric impulse up to 25 times per second. A 20-foot electric eel can produce enough electrical current to light up 12 household light bulbs. Fireflies. Fireflies produce light through a chemical reaction between the lucifer and its counterpart, the enzyme luciferase. The energy that is released when the fuel and the enzyme interact is transferred into nanorods, causing them to glow. This process of lighting is called bioluminescence resonance energy transfer. Knowing about this, we should always be careful with electricity and try to save all the natural resources of energy. Hope everybody understood and enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.